Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe in order to support us in making more, better and useful content. In today's video, we are going to talk about the amazing and powerful benefits and uses of lavender in a more concentrated form. So here we have a lavender plant indoors and it's been drying up. I have attempted to regrow it, so I'll firstly remove the leaves as well as the flowers, and I'll use that for incense, I'll use it for tea, and I'll also use it to make a lavender infused oil. I'll be showing you all that in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Here we have dried commercial organic lavender flowers. Now the flowers are more potent than the leaves, so it's best to use as much flowers as you can compared to the leaves. So here the dried flowers, you can use them, as I said, to make tea. All you do is just use 1 teaspoon of lavender flowers to 1 cup of boiling water. Just let it sit for about 10 minutes or so and then just sip it through. You can also make a gripe water that's designed for children, for babies, that help with teething, that help with bloating issues, digestive discomfort, pain in the stomach. All you will need is some lavender as well as some other herbs and spices such as chamomile, rubios, dill, and also just mix it through, put it in boiling water, and then add 1 teaspoon of glycerin to it, and they keep for, strain it, just bottle it up, and just keep it in the fridge for up to 3 months. Homemade gripe water that helps with debloat, that helps to reduce the anxiety, that helps to calm children and babies, and also help with teething pain, tried and tested. Another way is to, as I said, is to use the flowers to make the infused oil. So because we don't have the techniques and the equipment required to make essential oil, which is much more powerful, so if you can get your hands on lavender essential oil, please use that. We are going to make a lavender infused oil. So I'm using a carrier oil. It could be almond oil, sesame, olive oil, whatever carrier oil that you are comfortable with, and just add a bunch of lavender flowers and leaves in a jar. Add the oil and then infuse it using the cold method for up to 2 weeks in a dark place. Once the 2 weeks is over, simply strain and use. You can use it as a baby oil, as a massage oil. You can also use it as a lotion in your other different recipes, such as making soaps and lotions and other different things that we will also talk about. Another way is to use the lavender as incense, and this really helps in order to get rid of negative energy, to cleanse out the air from any impurities or any bacteria. And also I use it in my weekly Friday ritual as part of a herbal incense that I've also previously talked about, so please do check out the video in the channel. I will try to place the link in the description box below. So basically lavender is very calming. It has been used to combat anxiety and depression, insomnia. Please, if you can get your hands on some lavender, try to get the organic one. Try to also use lavender essential oil. This will work much more faster and it will be better absorbed by your body. If you found this video helpful in any way, please like, share and subscribe in order to support us making better content for you and your family. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.